steps with you over potholes and never let you give up. The knife, they stab me in the back. The scar would never heal until I inhale my last breath. Or so they say, cause forgiveness is an option that many say is the biggest mistake. Well, I've taken a miss and deleted the fake. Weathered the storm and I warm up with your hate. A breath of fresh air was all that I needed. Besides the blood of trust which I've smeared into a cup of toasted tears. A teaspoon of my pride and a fistful of my fears. Swallowed it all and I shit it out with words and tears. My heart pumping, my mind clouded with questions and doubts. But I'm like, fuck it. Cause this is my drum, my rhythm, my thoughts. This is the beating of my heart. Yo, my folks told me there be days like this when you gotta get up, roll with the punches by yourself. Work so hard, never give up on the sun. Started with 4, never 3, 2, 1. Still carry on, looking for the light. Yo, you'll follow if you like, if we all believe we might. One day, just to see the sunrise. Nowadays I float you like one mic. Fantasy get a wet dream with 2 dice. Mateus used to be flawless in 3 nights. 4 chap bleeding knuckle striking through your deep respect. I talk to spawn your chest, right. I am bleeding out, so can the gospel. You faded out with gospel. Cliff hanging, screaming Geronimo. If I had that fizz, I still flow better than you. Took the vibration of these drums. Never let anything bottle up to be forsaken. Take it as it comes. Spade tight, time to collect the books. Fold your hands down. I'm inside the fence. You can keep the crown, claim that you're the king of the hip-hop realm, or just a bitch in plaid skirt when shit goes down. Until death to reunite us, until the last drop of shots. Memories got the lightest, the last burn street fighter. Floss your personality through your merchandises. I already see, figured out the puzzle. Quick instinct, the last known survivor to hustle. To remain the same, the only thing that's changed. The positive outlook on life, for the better I change. So don't mistake it all for me being nice.
Now
it's time to just sit back, relax, and just listen. That's why my folks told me there be days like this when you gotta get up, roll with the punches by yourself. Work so hard, never give up on the sun. Started with 4, never 3, 2, 1. Still carry on, looking for the light. You can follow if you like, if we all believe we might. One day, just see the sunrise. My folks told me there be days like this.